mayroong unang aklat ni Juan, yan yung John dati. Mayroon ding pangalawang aklat ni Juan na yun ay kinuha niya doon sa first letter of John.
Yeah, first letter of John.
Oo. So, ang second letter and third letter ni John ay inumit na yun, dinilit na. Kasi yun ay sinulat na ni John the Presbyter na tagasunod ni Pablo.
Abayahawas Dikriyan.
King Yahawashi came to give the living water and bread of life. And the messenger sent from the Father testifies because he carries the Spirit of truth. For there are three testimonies, the Spirit of, lalagay ko po, the Spirit of the covenant, the living water, and the bread of life. These three are in agreement. We accept human testimony, but the testimony about Yahawashi is greater because it is about how the Father sent King Yahawashi for the deliverance of his people, the Israelites. Whoever accepts the Son believes in this testimony. Whoever does not believe in this testimony has made the Alahayam a liar, because they did not believe the message of the Father about his Son. This is the message Yahweh the Father has sent us his Son, the spring of life, and the water from the spring of life is the living water that gives eternal life. Whoever comes to the Son and drinks the living water and eats the bread of life will have eternal life. Yada. 6 to 11, yada.
Diba?
For there are three
Ito natin yan.
testimonies.
Spirit of the covenant, the living water, and the bread of life. These three are in agreement.
Okay. So, ang lahat ng yon na tinutukoy na yan, ng tatlong bagay na yan, ang Spirit of the Covenant, the living water, and the bread of life, ay si King Yahawashi.
Yes, balik.
So,
Parang,
ano man ang gagawin mo against the covenant, or the living water, or the bread of life, is against King Yahawashi.
Oh. Ang bigat niya.
Yes. Ngayon, nireject mo ang covenant,
I-reject mo ang Torah.
pero mayroon kang living water, naniniwala ka sa bread of life, hindi pa rin kumpleto.
Kailangan tatlo sila.
Yes, yung tatlo na yan.
Yung covenant, yun yung Torah.
Oo.
Torah and covenant.
Kasi tinanggap mo, sabihin mo, tagasunod din naman kami ni King Yahawashi. Siya ang living water, siya ang bread of life, pero wala kami sa loob sa covenant. Mayroong mga sektang
Pwede ba yun?
nagkiklaim ng ganun, di ba? Oo.
At saka nga, yung tumalikod sa pag-aaral ng Torah, yung ayaw kagabi, yung pag-aaral ng Torah.
Tsaka kasi ang dami natin nakasama dati na tumanggap din sila ng baptism ng covenant, pero tinalikuran nila pagkatapos. So ngayon, sinasabi nila na sila ay tagasunod pa rin ni King Yahawashi. Kasi bumalik nga daw sila sa tinanggap nila ulit si King Yahawashi. So nasa kanila pa rin ang living water at ang bread of life. Pero wala na sa kanila ang covenant.
Mabigat yung number 11. Yahweh the Father has sent us His Son, the spring of life, and the water from the spring of life is the living water that gives eternal life. Whoever comes to the Son and drinks the living water and eats the bread of life will have eternal life. So, yung mga dati nating kapatid tumalikod sa King Yahawashi.
Ang laking
Ano
kasalanan.
ibig sabihin mo?
Tinalikuran.
Yung nireject nila.
Ayaw nila ng bread of life.
Ayaw nila na.
Kasi ito, decree ng ano to ng ating, Aba, Yahweh. Ganun niya kamahal ang ating King Yahweh.
Okay, verse 10. Whoever accepts the Son believes in this testimony. Whoever does not believe in this testimony has made the Alahayam a liar,
Liar, yes.
because they did not believe the message of the Father about His Son. O yung ama na ang nagtestify no?
So,
Siya na
kinakalaban mo na ang Aba.
Ang ama.
Kung tinalikuran
Kung
mo kanyang
tinalikuran mo na
anak,
ang anak. Wala na.
nakakapanindig balahibo na
Yan.
pakinggan ng mga yan.
Yan, ano na yan. Ayan, paborito ko yung basa-basahin palagi.
Grabe.
Dati
Ganyan
nung
din ba
ano,
sa doon sa
Kaya-
corrupted
Sila yung nagsasabi na kaya lang, meron silang buhay na walang hanggan.
Oh, yes.
Pero wala naman sila niyan. Tatlo. So, di nila alam na
Yung number
ang pagsisipa nila ay
malaking
magdudulot sa kanila ng kawalan ng living water, kawalan ng buhay na walang hanggan, kawalan ng covenant. Dahil sinipa din nila ang covenant. So, wala na silang liwanag ng landas.
So, ibig sabihin, kaya pala
Wala na
sinasabi-
silang ilaw.
Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, kaya niya sinasabi na kahit patuwad-tuwad ka dyan,
Yeah.
paano wala rin. Ayaw mong tanggapin yung Torah. Paano ka? Paano ka may gabay?
no?
Diba?
The living water and the bread of life. Verse 1. Everyone who believes and accepts that Yahweh Shai is the Messiah and King is born of Yahweh. And everyone who loves the Father loves His Son as well.
Ano yan?
Verse 1.
Verse 1.
Verse 2. This is how we know that we are the people of the Alahayam. We love Yahweh by obeying His commandments. Yun ang, or laws. Yun ang unang Ito ang senyales na kaya Yahweh tayo. Pangalawa, for to love Yahweh is to obey His commandments or laws.
Gawa natin yan.
And His laws are not burdensome. For everyone born of Yahweh overcomes the world. This is the victory that has overcome the world. Who is it that overcomes the world? Only the ones who accept that Yahweh Shai is the Son of Yahweh. Siya lang ang naka-overcome ng kaya hindi siya burden, magaan para sa atin. Kasi no-overcome natin ang mundo. O sino yung naka-overcome ng mundo? Ang naniniwala na si Yahweh Shai ay ang anak ni Yahweh the Father na Alahayam.
Dahil siya mismo ang unang nagtagumpay. Napagtagumpayan niya na ang mundo. That's why lahat ng mga sumusunod sa kanya, nagtatagumpay din sila dahil sa kanya. Yada.
Yada.
Siyempre,
Ayan,
ang
ang
kanya,
liwanag.
kanyang protektahan,
Yan.
aalagaan niya.
Maliwanag, no, mga kapatid, na kahit na nagpre-praise ka, kahit awitin mo pa ng 10 awitin, buong magdamag, buong umaga hanggang magdamag,
Ilang sets pa.
katuwad-tuwad ka dyan,
At ito, ang ganda
kung
nito.
hindi ka naniniwala sa Torah and Covenant.
Oh, this is how we know
Walang
that we
saysay.
are the people of the Alaya.
This is how.
We love Yahweh by obeying His commandments. Paano mo masusunod yun kung wala ka Torah?